Introducing the Termotransfer system, a revolutionary solution for vertical developments. Exclusively from Namm, the national leader in louvers and ventilation systems. This product is the result of years of research and engineering, setting a new standard in high-efficiency building design. The Termotransfer system is engineered to optimize ventilation and ensure the efficient operation of air conditioning systems. It surpasses traditional louvers by addressing long-standing issues. Conventional systems often fail to expel hot air effectively, causing overheating in upper levels, rising energy costs, and frequent AC failures. The Termotransfer system eliminates these problems permanently. Proven across projects, it combines superior functionality with sleek aesthetics. Its aerodynamic design, alongside precise airflow management, directs hot air away from heat sources, preventing buildup at higher levels and ensuring a steady flow of fresh air. This enhances energy efficiency while improving the building's facade. Unlike other systems that mismanage ventilation causing air turbulence, the Termotransfer system is optimized for performance. It requires no specialized tools of highly skilled labor, cutting installation, and cost. The system's robust design has passed rigorous tests, proving its reliability even in extreme conditions. That's why leading projects choose the Termotransfer system, a breakthrough in vertical construction. Backed by Namm, experts in ventilation engineering, it guarantees lasting performance and results.